Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English second paper class brought to St. Xavier's School, Khulna. I am Mohammad Zakaria Khan. Have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier's School. Dear learners, I expect that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am Alhamdulillah fine. You know that the whole world as well as Bangladesh is facing a very critical time right now due to the pandemic COVID-19 named coronavirus, and that's why our studies are lagging behind, but education cannot be stopped at all. For this reason, our government has been telecast online class through A2I Access, Kishore Batayan, Shikhak Batayan and Samsad television. Besides, our school authority has been decided to take class through online. That's why I am presenting here. Firstly, I would like to thank our honorable head teacher, Mr. Gaji Mohiddin sir, and our honorable chairman, Munshi Mahabub Alam Shok sir, because they are always assisting us, they are always monitoring us so that we can continue, we can conduct our class properly and exactly. So, dear students, now let's go to start our today's session. You follow the laptop. This is my identity, already I have given. Dear students, let's see some image and text to gauge something. Okay, what do you see in the slide? They said we are happy. They said we are happy. They said that they were happy. He says, I love music. He says that he loves music. Okay, dear students, what have you guessed by the image and text? Can you guess that what we are going to discuss about our today's session? Yes, you are right. Our today's session is direct and indirect speech. Our today's discussion matter is direct and indirect speech. Our today's lesson is direct and indirect speech narration part 1. Learning outcome. What have we learned after finishing this session? After finishing this session, the students will be able, we have started this lesson, students will be able to define speech, identify the classification of speech, change speech from direct to indirect. What is speech? Dear students, can you say what is speech? Speech or narration, both are same thing. What is speech? Speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. What is speech? Yes, speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. And narration and speech are same things. Narration, this is a noun of the word narrate. Narrate means to describe something, to express something, to say something. Narrate means to describe some things. Narrate means to describe some things, and narration is describing some things. And speech and narration are both same thing. What is speech? Speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. Okay, dear students. What is speech? Speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. You can write in your khatas. I think that you all are ready to participate by class, and you can write it in your khata. Speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. Dear learners, follow this slide. Rafi said to me, I have done my duty. Rafi said to me, I have done my duty. Rafi told me that he had done his duty. So, here speeches are classified into two kinds. Speeches are classified into two kinds. First one is direct speech and then indirect speech. First one is direct speech and second one is indirect speech, and we have to learn some basic rules how to transform from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, what is direct speech? Direct speech means speech spoken directly by the speaker is direct speech. Okay, what is direct speech? Direct speech means speech spoken directly by the speaker is direct speech. And what is indirect speech? Indirect speech is speech spoken indirectly by another is indirect speech. Okay, dear student, what is indirect speech? Speech spoken indirectly by another is indirect speech. So I think that you are clear what is direct speech and what is indirect speech, and we have to learn some rules how to transform or how to convert from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, okay dear students, so direct speech spoken directly by the speaker is direct speech, and indirect speech, what is indirect speech? Speech spoken indirectly by another is indirect speech. He said to me, you are my best friend. He said to me, you are my best friend. He said to me here, and you are my best friend. So there are two parts of direct speech. There are two parts of direct speech. First one is he said to me. This is first part, and second part, you are my best friend. First one he said to me, and second, you are my best friend. So this is reporting verb, and this is reporting verb. So what is called reporting verb? Reporting verb, this is out of inverted comma. Dear students, you look, out of inverted comma. This is you are my best friend. Here is inverted comma, and out of inverted comma he said to me. He said to me, that is out of inverted comma. That's why it is reporting verb. Reporting verb. And you are my best friend. This is reported speech. You are my best friend. This is reported speech. You are my best friend, reported speech, and it is existing inside of inverted comma. The sentence which is existing inverted comma, that is reported speech. Inverted comma, that is reported speech. Inside of inverted comma, this sentence is reported speech. You are my best friend, that is reported speech, and he said to me, that is reporting verb. Okay. So I think that you are clear what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. Let's know the basic rules of narration or speech. If we want to transform or convert narration, that is direct to indirect, we have to learn some basic rules. So my dear students, now we will learn some basic rules. We will discuss some basic rules of speech or narration. Okay. How to change verb from direct to indirect speech? Here are some. Here is given some verb, and this is direct form, and it will be converted into indirect form. When we will transform indirect speech, this verb will be changed, and the change system is here. How to change verb from direct to indirect speech? Okay, here direct verb is, am is, are. So it will be was, were. It will be was, were in indirect speech. Am is, are. It will be was, were. Was, were. It will be changed had been. Was, were. It will be changed had been. Shall, will. It will be changed should, would. When you will get or find shall, will in direct speech, that time you will be changed in indirect as should or would. Okay? Then have, has, had. Have, has, had. It will be changed had plus V3. V3, that means past participle of verb. Past participle of verb. Have, has, did. When you will get have, has, did, that time it will be changed had plus V3, that means past participle of verb. Then can or may. It will be changed can or may. It will be changed could or might. Could or might. Dear students, you can write down in your khata these rules. Okay. When you will get find can or may, it will be changed could or might. Then must, have to, has to, ought to. Must, have to, has to, ought to. It will be changed had to. It will be changed in indirect speech as had to. Okay? Present indefinite. Present indefinite tense, it will be changed past indefinite tense. When you will get or you will find direct speech as present indefinite tense, that time it will be converted as past indefinite tense. Then past indefinite tense. When you will get past indefinite tense in direct speech, that time it will be converted as past participle. That means past perfect tense. That means past perfect tense. What is the structure of past perfect tense? Past perfect tense, that is subject plus had plus V3. That is the past participle form of verb, V3. Okay. V3 means the past participle of verb. So student, you will write these rules in your khata. So do it quickly. We will go to next rules. How to change adverb? How to change adverb? This is direct form and this is indirect form. When you will get these adverbs in direct form, that time you will be converted in direct form as this following way. Now, then. Now, then. Dear students, you will write these rules. Please, you will write these rules. Now, it will be changed then. Tomorrow, it will be changed. Tomorrow, it will be changed. The next day. Tomorrow, it will be changed the next day. Tonight, it will be changed that day. Today, it will be converted that day. Yesterday, it will be also converted the previous day. Yesterday, the previous day. Last night, the previous night. Last night, the previous night. Last week, the previous week. Last week, the previous week. Here it will be changed there. This, that will be changed that. This, those. Okay. I think you are clear about this changing system. Direct, indirect. When you will get now in direct speech, that time it will be changed or converted then in indirect speech. Tomorrow that it will be the next day, today it will be that day, today that day, yesterday the previous day, last night the previous night, last week the previous week, here, there, this, that, these, those. Okay. You will write down in your khata these rules. We will go to next. Dear learners, how the subject, object and possessive of direct speech change. Here I will show you how the subject, object and possessive of direct speech can be changed. Reported speech, when you will get reported speech as I, it will be changed reporting verb he or she. When you will get we, that time it will be changed he, she or they. He, she or they. And when you will get you, it will be changed me, us or I or we. My, it will be changed his or her. Our, that is, will be changed there. Your, my or your. He, she or they, it will be changed, no change. When you will get or find out he, she or they, it will be no change. So I can also clarify these rules. Dear student, listen to me very carefully. Reported speech, when you will give first person in reported speech like I, it will be changed the subject of reporting verb. When I am again say, please listen to me very carefully. When you will get find I in reported speech, that time it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. That means first person will be changed the subject of reporting verb, and when you will get the second person of reported speech as a subject, that time it will be changed as the object of reporting verb. First person will be changed the subject of reporting verb, and second person it will be changed the object of reporting verb, and third person it will be no changed, and third person it will be no changed. Okay, I think that you are clear right now about these rules. Reported speech, you can also write in your khata reported speech and reporting verb. Reported speech I, he or she, we, he, she or they, you, me, us, I or we. My, it will be changed his or her, our, their, your, my or your, he, she, they, it will be no change. Okay, we'll go to next. How to convert assertive sentence into indirect speech. Dear students, you know that we are discussing right now narration or speech, and today I will give this lesson. I mean, it will be assertive sentence, and our next class will be interrogative, then imperative, optative and exclamatory. Okay, so today how to convert assertive sentence into indirect speech. Subject plus verb, subject plus said to plus object. It will be subject plus told plus object. Then that, then the reported speech with desirable change. I have already told you what is the desirable change. Okay. You can write in your khata this rules, this structure: subject plus said to plus object, then subject plus told plus object, then that, then reported speech with desirable change. And what is the desirable change? I have already discussed about this topic, and I think you are known to these rules. Subject plus said to plus object, then subject plus told plus object, then that, then reported speech with desirable change. Okay. Next we'll go to for an example. He said to me, I am well. He said to me, I am well. He said to me, I am well. What is the indirect speech? That is, he told me. Here he said to, it has been changed as told. He said to me, I am well. He told me that. This, when we will change indirect speech, that inverted comma will be cut out, and it will be added. We can use here conjunction as that. Okay. He told me that I, it has been changed subject, that is he. I, that is first person, so it will be changed as a subject. Here subject is he, so we will put on here he. He told me that he was well. He told me that he was well. Next. She said to me, I was ill. She said to me, I was ill. That is direct